Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The presenter explains the video will show how to remove the screen lock on an Android phone. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device to begin the process. Step 2. Scroll down to and tap Lock Screen in the Settings menu. Step 3. Tap Screen Lock to view your current lock method, pattern, PIN, password. Step 4. You'll be prompted to enter your current password /PIN/pattern. Do that to proceed. Step 5. Choose None from the lock options to turn off any passcode or pattern. A confirmation message appears. Tap Delete to disable the lock screen security. Once confirmed, your Android phone no longer requires a screen lock. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.